Want to learn ANSI simulation for truss members? Myself Taha and I am here to convert this 2D truss into ANSYS model. Let's get started. First we will create a design in SpaceClaim. Go to setting, change units to centimeters and grid length to 1 centimeter. Create a triangle as shown and rectangular profile for that truss. It's time for meshing. Go mechanical and create custom sized mesh with hard setting. Check material having Young's modulus equals 2 exponent 11. Define force at C along direction and displacement at A and B. Unfortunately we get an error while solving model about pivot ROTX due to different degree of freedom. Finally we solve our model. Getting results about force and total deformation. Lastly we create a beam tool which define maximum and minimum combined as well as bending stresses.